On today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to diagnose and fix the trunk lead problem on a 7 series. First, let's see what's working and what's not working. So now the trunk is open. If we press the button to close, I can hear something, but nothing is happening. Maybe if I'm going to help a little bit. Perfect, and soft close works. If we want to open, okay, the same thing. I can hear the motor, but nothing happens. So I can hear the motor on the right side, and in order to see what's wrong in there, we have to remove a few parts. As you can see, I have removed everything from the trunk. Now we are going to take this plastic cover out in the rear, and this side, the right side, because like I said, I think the motor is right in there. In order to remove this, we just have to have a pry tool, something like this. Just a second to show you. Yep, one, second one, the third one in here, and the fourth and the last one in here. And I think we can take this out. I hope. That's completely out. Let's take all out. Okay, and now this should come off. Yes, it's that easy. And this is the motor for the soft close. In here everything seems to be just fine, and we can see the blue stuff, the panel bond. That's from factory. In 2002 they used panel bond. Nice, good job BMW. Perfect. Now let's go after these ones. Okay, those are out, and we have, I'm pretty sure, another one in here. Take the cover first out. Slide this out. Oh, we have two. Not one, but two. I don't have any screwdriver with me, but we are going to try to use something from here. Like this, maybe, because those are big. Let's see. Yep, it's working. Okay, the second one is working as well. Now this one is out. We have another plastic clip in here, and normally this should come out now, and it's going to come out. Nice. Oh, check this out. We have the motor in here for the trunk. Nice. Let's put this aside. So, and this is our problem. We don't have any kind of fluid for now, and I think this is, oh, somebody, I'm pretty sure, was already in here, because this is out from, oh, now it's in. So let's remove these two 10 millimeters nut, because we are going to take this out with the bracket. And these are the cables that goes in here, and on the other side, but we are going to work in here first. Now we can take these two nuts out, and basically we can take the motor out as well. I'm going to unplug this these connectors, this one and this one, and we are going to top up the reservoir with normal hydraulic liquid. There is a special liquid oil for this system. I'm going to put the part number on the screen, but for now I'm going to use just regular hydraulic fluid, because this is also for BMW, because I want to see if the system is leaking or not, and if the system is not leaking, I'm going to flush everything and I'm going to put original fluid. Just give me a second to unplug everything, put the motor in here and top off the fluid. Remove the clamp with the 7mm socket or with the Phillips head, and take the reservoir out by twisting, and you will have a gasket in here. And that's our reservoir with the fluid. We are going to top that off completely, and we are going to put everything back together, and we are going to turn with the liquid up, and we are going to run the trunk close open till it's going to suck all the oil, and we are going to repeat this process for a few times. I've filled up the reservoir, and check this out, almost all the fluid is gone through the system. Let's do this. Press once. Oops! Holy smokes! Perfect! Now let's see if it's going to go up. Oops, it doesn't have power once again. Let's help a little bit. Okay. There is no fluid in there. We have to fill this once again, and we are set. We have a drain pan in here. This plastic is a drain for the strut. Oh, sorry. And on this side we have another strut, and you have the drains in here, this one and this one, and we can check under the car if we have some drops, and I'm pretty sure somewhere is going to drop, because that fluid it went somewhere. Anyway, I'm going to refill this, and I'm going to show you another progress. I've cycled the fluid a few times, and as you can see, we have to fill the tank once again. Once again, the fluid is not right for this system, but I want to see if it's working. And now it's closing, and let's see, open very slowly, but it's working. Perfect. Now I'm going to flush everything, and I'm going to order original fluid, and I still think that this shock on this side is a little bit weak, and it's right up in there. See that? The shock is right in there. It's a little bit weak, but I'm going to leave it for now like this. I'm going to put original fluid, and job done.